Google Sheets is the equivalent of Microsoft Excel, which is used best for collecting and presenting data. In Purple Mash lessons, you may have used to calculate before. Google Sheets is a more powerful version of this. To access Google Sheets, click on the waffle and select Sheets, or in the address bar, type in sheets.google.com and select Enter. You can choose from a pre-made template or create your own blank one. One of the useful functions of this is that you can use Sheets for mathematical calculations. So I'm going to imagine I've taken two tests and I want to really quickly work out the total score of them both, which I'm going to write down here. So I'm going to completely make these numbers up here. Oh, that's a bit big, isn't it? Let's change that. Now, add average at the bottom here, so we can show off another function. Okay, so I can use the Functions tab over here in order to really quickly calculate the test scores that I have here. So if I select Sum, the cells I want to be red, you can see that it's automatically added the values for me. I can click and drag here in order to get this to work out for the remaining rows that we've got. I'm going to need to use a different function in order to work out the average. So again, I'm going to go to my functions list over here and select average and put in the cell values that I would like it to work out. So C2 to C5, and there is my average score. More common way I would imagine I see people using this is for presenting data. So let's imagine that I had done a chart on people's favorite fruits. So I might have an apple, orange, pear, banana, and a plum. Let's just come up with some numbers here. If I select the data I would like to create a chart for, and then click on the Insert Chart button here, you will see that it adds a little chart for me. I can change the chart type over here, and I can make changes to different things. So I don't want it to be called tally versus fruit. I want it to be called favorite fruit of class 5, for example. I can also make changes to the axis headings, as well as changing the colors on here. So an apple, I think, would look quite nice with green, for instance. Oops. We click on individual ones, it should then change them. Let's just demonstrate that. Yep, there we go. So you can click on the individual points and make changes to them there. Similarly to the other apps that we've seen already, all of the work you do here is saved automatically for you. Again, don't forget to give your work a name, and make sure to move it to a folder if you so wish, as well as star it if you think that you might come back to it.